Mama.
Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Connor. How are you, sweetheart?
There's a big eating.
You going to have dinner?
A rice.
Have dinner?
Rich.
He's having chicken with rice.
You had chicken and rice?
He's having it right now.
Oh, wow.
And he's trying to feed you some corn through the phone.
Oh.
Uh-oh,
He's
crash.
sharing with Grandma. That's very good.
Mama, eat it.
Oh, Grandma, eat what?
Corn.
Huh?
Corn.
No. Are you eating all that food?
Corn. Corn.
Oh, did Connor burp?
Excuse me.
Gummy.
Excuse me.
It's kind of good.
Aw.
Yeah?
I just got it.
Yeah?
Bye.
You going? Hi, Grandma.
It's already done. Yeah, he gave you a kiss already.